Subscribe to our YouTube channel for in-depth interviews of India Inc. and press the bell icon so that you do not miss our updates.
Hello and welcome to Nirmal Bank, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Hiral Daria. We have with us Kunal Shah, head of Commodities Research, joining in. Kunal, overall, if you see the dollar index, it edged higher, close to a 2 month top. Clearly, it's eased from key resistance around that 92 level as well. How do you see it moving from here on?
Uh, yeah, so Friday to Friday, last Friday, it all started, where dollar index shot up from 89.90 to 90.40. From there, it shot up after the FOMC meeting from 90.50 to 92. And that has caused to havoc in the commodity market, where all the commodity prices have gone down except crude oil. Okay, so all the commodities are sharply down. Copper last Friday was trading around 750, which is right now at 698. So my view on the metals have gone right. All the metal prices have corrected sharply, but unfortunately, gold and silver also went down because of what came in Fed meeting. So I'll just give you the outlook and what is the road ahead. So now dollar index 92 seems to be the resistance for today, maybe Monday. If it goes above 92, then you will see further sell off. But it seems that commodities are now right now in a sell on rise market rather than doing any bargain hunting. The reason for that is that China is releasing the stocks of commodity from the strategic reserve. Second, dollar index is stronger. So why it is strong? Because the tapering talks in the Federal Reserve have begun. What is tapering? $120 billion of bond purchase program is going on in the Federal Reserve. So out of that 120, the amount will be less. Amount will be dropped to say 90 billion or 80 billion. So Federal Reserve is preparing the market. Then in coming months, they will do that. So because of that, dollar index strengthened, the bond yield strengthened, and we saw the good correction in all the commodities. So now view. So the view is from here for gold and silver. I am expecting that some bounce back in the evening session. Today's low should be the stop loss. Gold can go to 47,350. Silver can go to 69,000. That's it. I'm not expecting a major bullish until there is a reversal in the dollar. So that is the view for gold and silver. Stop loss I told you, and target I told you. Crude oil looks weak. 5280, 5240, 5230, good levels to go short. Target 5150, 5120, because all the commodities are going down. Crude cannot remain exception, and stop loss should be 5270. Metals, I'm still not bullish. I'm expecting another sell off, but today I recommend that for evening session you can see some bounce back or some pullback. Copper 702, you can go short. 704 stop loss. 695 target. Nickel, you can go short at current market price. Target 1268, 1265. Stop loss should be 1295. And even for the same reason, zinc 233.50 sell, 235 stop loss, and 230 target.
Right, so Kunal, with this, another question coming is, can we see silver at 65,000?
If dollar index breaches 92 and start to trade above 92 2030, then yes, we can. Today it doesn't seem to be the one of those days. So not today, but please watch out for dollar index, guys, because I will give my interview webinar and leave from here. So if dollar index moves above 92, then 92.10, 92.05, then again gold and silver will start to decline. But today
Okay.
I think 92 has the hold. 92, it is not moving above 92. So I would recommend that today is the day you can do some bargain hunting.
Right. And another question coming in is, can we forget silver's target of 85,000 now?
No, I would not say we have to forget it. It is time being. So what will happen now going forward? When the gold and silver rally can again start, if the US bond yields, they decline from 1.58 on the day of the Federal Reserve meeting. to 1.50. Now again, if the bond yields go to 1.40, it means the growth projections are lower, and hence people will again start buying gold. So you have to wait right now patiently. The fundamental story have not changed. So I'm not saying it is still not within the range, but for the time being, it looks very difficult. So I'm not again and again reiterating that.
Okay. Kunal, overall, another question is what's your broad view for bullion for next week?
Still not very convincing buy, just a pullback. We'll see what happens with the dollar next week. So Monday anyway we have a webinar, so I'll guide you. But I'm not able to develop that concrete view that from this level also it will go down. I need more evidence. So I'm not of the very bearish view.
Okay. And Kunal, with regards to crude as well, what's the sense you're picking up from here on? Because taking into consideration how the dollar has been moving, again, today's session, crude was slightly lower. And from here on, do you think the stronger dollar will continue to put pressure on crude as well?
See, the bond yield in US are declining. It means that the world's largest consumer of crude oil is US, and the growth trajectory in US is not that healthy. So I think if all commodities goes down, crude cannot be exception. Beyond a point, even crude should go down. So that's my view, and hence crude also I'm expecting it to go down to 5,050, 5,060 kind of levels.
Okay, so that's with regards to where crude is concerned. And any fresh call on RM seed?
No, no fresh call on RM sheet. I'm not tracked it, so I will not give a comment.
Right. I think those are the only questions as well. Thank you, Kunal. Thank you, participants as well.